Today, I want to talk about a special kind of constipation that affects 50% of all the people who suffer constipation, what it is, and what you can do about it. I'm Dr. Eli Klein, and this is another installment of Dr. Klein's Info Series. The type of constipation I want to talk about today is called dyssenergic constipation. It is basically the type of constipation that results from too much stress or trauma. And what's special about it is that it is associated with an elevation of stress hormones, cortisol and adrenaline, or other catecholamines, other stress hormones. And dealing with the stressor can help alleviate this constipation. For example, in one study, researchers looked at using biofeedback techniques to relax, and that resulted in improvement and alleviation of constipation in many of the subjects. From an over-the-counter point of view, anything that would help the body to relax, that would lower the stress hormones, would be very helpful. So certainly the adaptogens that can lower stress hormones in particular would be very helpful. And of course, rhodiola rosea is a very potent reducer of cortisol and adrenaline, so it can potentially help. Another agent that can help, there are the different vitamins and minerals that can help, and magnesium is very unique, particularly magnesium oxide. And so magnesium has been shown to lower stress hormones, facilitate the reduction in elevated stress hormones for sure. And magnesium oxide specifically in one study, when it was used at 500 milligrams 3 times a day, showed an alleviation of constipation as well. Now, of course, there are other agents that can lower the stress hormones. There are different types of adaptogens beyond rhodiola. As far as vitamins and minerals, vitamin C, certain B vitamins like B6, B5, niacinamide, and others as well have been shown to have various lowering effects on stress hormones. And so this approach can be particularly useful in the approach of using these particular type of agents can be particularly useful in addressing this type of constipation, specifically dyssenergic constipation, which again affects 50% of all the people who suffer constipation. And I want to share with you just an image of a new product that I developed, a new natural product for this specific purpose, and that's Rosiva Lax. Now, Rosiva Lax doesn't have stimulant laxatives because one of the concerns with the stimulant laxatives, like Senna, Cascara, Aloe, is that they cannot be used for too long a period of time. At least the warning goes on the box that is mandated by Health Canada is that they can only be used for a few days at a time, and that's it. Now, some of these stimulant laxatives, I think, are quite healing, are quite useful, but they can't be used for a long period of time. And so Rosiva Lax consists of a rhodiola rosea, or Canadian rhodiola rosea, and of magnesium oxide, both of which help to lower the stress hormones. And of course, magnesium oxide has a very direct effect on alleviating constipation. So over time, these two can help produce some healing as well because of the reduction in stress hormones. And I've also added a mild laxative to this formulation, which is fenugreek. Fenugreek is very versatile and has a broad therapeutic effect on digestion as a whole. And the nice thing about fenugreek is it's one of these laxatives that can be used continuously, unlike the stimulant laxatives. There's also some iodine and selenium here because I know that stress suppresses thyroid function, and low thyroid function, even if it's not diagnosed, there's no black and white with thyroid function, but a lot of people have undiagnosed low thyroid function. And so it contributes to sluggishness overall in the body, and also sluggishness of the intestinal tract, which results in constipation. It's a very, very common symptom of low thyroid function. And there are a few B vitamins there as well to further support the alleviation of stress and the improvement in the production of metabolic energy within the cells of the digestive tract and the nerve cells that innervate the digestive tract and the pelvic floor. In fact, what dyssenergic constipation results in is the inability of the nerve endings of the pelvic floor to facilitate construction and relaxation, easy contraction and relaxation of the muscles of the pelvic pelvic floor. So this is it basically. This is what I wanted to share with you today. And if you have any questions or comments, please do share them with me. I'll be glad to address these. And until next time, until the next installment of Dr. Klein's Info Series, thank you for watching.